Top tourist attractions in Cyprus. Troodos Mountains. Get a unique opportunity to experience the Troodos mountain range, one of the coolest places to visit in Cyprus. Wait. While enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Kourion Amphitheater. Explore the grand monuments and mosaics of this historical marvel, plus the tumbling views of the countryside and Mediterranean. Salamis. See the magnificent archaeological site of Salamis, home to marble ruins and one of the top historical sites on the island. Aphrodite's Rock. This is a rock formation off the western coast of the island, which is a must-see site and a perfect place for a swim. Cape Greco. Take a swim in the crystal-clear waters of Cape Greco, considered to be one of the country's most beautiful areas. Akamas Peninsula National Park. Explore Akamas Peninsula National Park, a natural reserve great for hiking, cycling, bird watching and more. St. Barnabas Monastery. St. Barnabas Monastery is a museum housing a collection of Cypriot artifacts, which are kept in the monks' old cells. The wreck of the Zenobia. Go on a dive and explore the incredible shipwreck of the Zenobia, an attraction loved by many scuba divers. Kyrenia Castle. Explore the Kyrenia Castle, a place to get a fascinating glimpse of the history of Cyprus and the stunning views. Oresund Bridge. Relax on the shores of Ayia Napa, boasting a beautiful stretch of beaches with a lively nightlife. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.